Assalamualaikum, Dr. Aswina. We are from Group 6. My name is Narmazana binti Munafu. My number metric is 289611.
Siti Masyara binti Muhammad Ali. My metric number is 289664.
So we are going to present assignment 2, which is automated testing using Selenium IDE, and our chosen system is an online shopping system. So we're going to the introduction. Automated testing tools are very essential in modern software development to ensure the quality, functionality, and the performance of the applications. So there are a lot of automated testing tools, and one of them is Selenium. So Selenium is a widely used open source framework for web application testing, and also our our assignment will describe the automated testing using Selenium, as our system is a web-based application. So Selenium IDE, or IDE that is stand for Integrated Development Environment, is an easy-to-use browser extension that records a user's action in the browser using existing Selenium commands with parameters defined by the context and by the context of each element. So it is a very easy to use Chrome extension, and is generally the most efficient way to develop test cases. So online shopping systems are very essential platforms for modern commerce, providing users with the convenience of browsing, purchasing, and also managing products from anywhere. So in the context of online shopping system, Selenium helps ensure that the online shopping system remains reliable, functional, and user-friendly.
This is the advantages and disadvantages of using Selenium IDE. Okay. First, for the advantages is free and open source. Since Selenium is free and open source, business of all sizes can use it without having to pay for a license. Next advantage is language supports. Selenium IDE support multiple programming language like Java, Python, C++, Ruby, PHP, and JavaScript. Allow testers to write script in their preferred language. Next is integrated with CI or CD. One of the key benefits of utilizing Selenium IDE for automated testing is its remarkable and compatibility with a wide range of CI or CD platform. Lastly is the run tests concurrently. You can manage test execution from a single location and execute tests concurrently with Selenium 8. Web tests are known to take longer to run over time, and parallel execution provides significant benefits as your test suite grows. Next is the disadvantages of using Selenium. First is Selenium supports web application only. It is unable to automate processes outside the browser, such as desktop applications. Next is Selenium cannot create reports. Reports are a fundamental feature that Selenium lacks. All reports must be produced by testers and developers in order to convey test automation to management, contractors, clients, and stakeholders. The third one is not having an image comparison. Since Selenium lacks built-in image comparison capabilities, you should make sure that every image you use in your application is there and shown appropriately. Lastly is no built-in test management. Test management features are not integrated by Selenium. Additional tools must be used. That's all. Next is the installation part for Selenium IDE. There is several steps for Selenium IDE installation. Okay, first open your Chrome Web Store, and here's click Add to Chrome button here. Okay. Next is the installation part for Selenium IDE. There is several steps for Selenium IDE installation. Okay, first open your Chrome Web Store, and here's click Add to Chrome button here, and click the extension. So the application will be downloaded. Okay. So here's is the extension for this Selenium. Then click to open. Okay. So here's our some options that they have, such as record new test in a new project, open an existing project, create a new project, or close Selenium IDE. So after you rename your test case name, then you can put your link up here, then start recording. Click on this button. Then you can fill up all these forms by putting your information. Okay. Then I click on the sign up button. As you can see, the Selenium is recording. Then I go back to the Selenium. As you can see, here is all your input. So you can stop recording. Then start to click on the Run All as button. Here is the automated testing result that Selenium have detected on your system. So that's all from me.
Here is the suggestion for improvement of the failure of the test cases. So one of our suggestion to improve the failure of the test cases is firstly is the issue of user authentication and navigation. So in the sign-in, for example, in the sign-in form, there is an error after entering the input where the system does not go to the index page or the main page of the system. So this error also occurred in sign-up form, also found in sign-up form. So in these pages, users cannot enter the main page after clicking the sign up button, even after entering the input and fill in all the field in the section. So this could also cause a major problem to the users as their main purpose is to browse through the system to shop, but they didn't even manage to go through the login section. So the suggestion for this is the system have to be thoroughly test and debug the sign in and sign up functionalities. So developers should ensure that the input validation, database connection, and also authentication processes are working correctly. So test cases should also be created to verify various scenarios, such as entering valid and invalid credentials, handling already registered email addresses, and also ensuring proper redirects to the index page after successfully login or registration, or the user has entered all the input needed. So I think the solve this issue is by providing error message that is clear, such as sign in is unsuccessful or there is an error to sign in. So with this error message provided, it should be clear to inform the users of the issue and guide them to resolve it. And then the second suggestion that we would suggest to the system for the failure test cases is secondly is data input in validation issues. So the format for users to input data, such as full name, last name, mobile number, password, repeat password, address, and city does not have a proper format for the data validation. For example, field like mobile number allow non-numeric characters where users can enter an alphabet in it, while mobile numbers is actually for only numbers to be entered, but for the field of the system, it can be entered for both numeric and alphabetical. The system should implement strict validation rules for each field. For example, the full name and last name field should only accept alphabetic characters, while the mobile number should only allow numeric values of a specific length, while the password field should require a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. So with this suggestion that we suggest, hopefully that there is no more failure to the test cases. So the third suggestion for improvement of the failure test cases is the search bar functionality and usability issue. The search bar significantly impacts the user's ability to find products easily. So this issue can frustrate users as they may not be able to locate desired items, causing them to abandon their shopping experience. So to improve this, the search bar functionality should be thoroughly tested to ensure that it provides accurate and relevant results for a wide range of search terms. And it also to allow users to find products more easily. Conclusion of our report is implementing automated testing with Selenium for the online shopping system offers significant benefits in improving its reliability, efficiency, and overall performance. Selenium also helps automate repetitive tasks like testing how users interact with the system, checking how it works on different browsers, and making sure that it is important features like payment, search, logging are working properly. So by using automated testing, the system can be checked for errors quickly and thoroughly, reducing the chance of problems being missed during manual testing. So I think that's it from us. Thank you.